What's the matter, Prozac? Car fucked. It looks fucked.
I just won't go.
Then it's fucked.
No, it's not fucked.
Oh, it's gotta be fucked.
The car is all right.
It won't go. It's fucked.
Look, Miles, it is not fucked.
It is fucked.
It is not fucked.
Well, something's fucked.
You're fucked.
I'm fucked.
Yes, you're fucked.
I'm fucked and the car's not fucked.
Yes, so why don't you just fuck off?
Well, I can't if I'm fucked, can I?
Why the fuck not?
Because if I'm fucked, I can't move, and if your car wasn't fucked, you'd get in it yourself and fuck off.
For fuck's sake, Miles.
Well, what the fuck's the matter with it?
Fucked if I know.
Car's still fucked. What's it fucking look like?
Like the car's fucked.
Miles, you're a fucking genius.
Is it just fucked, or is it really fucked?
It's really fucking fucked, you stupid fuck!
Did you check the petrol?
Prozac?
Fuck.